Why is consistency emphasized in rehabilitation tips for running recovery? Have you ever wondered why sticking to a routine is so important when recovering from running injuries? Consistency plays a vital role in rehabilitation, especially for runners. When you are recovering, your body and brain need time to adapt to the demands of healing. This gradual process leads to better restoration of function and a lower risk of re-injury. In track and field, sprinting, and marathon training, consistent rehabilitation is essential. It ensures that your neuromuscular system, muscles, tendons, and cardiovascular system are stimulated steadily. This steady stimulation promotes healing and helps rebuild strength without overwhelming your body. At the neurological level, practicing rehabilitation exercises regularly strengthens the pathways in your brain. The brain thrives on neuroplasticity, which is its ability to form and reorganize connections. When you perform rehabilitation exercises consistently, your brain gets the stimulation it needs to reinforce these pathways. If you only do these exercises sporadically, your brain does not get enough practice, which can slow down your recovery. Daily or regular practice helps your brain learn to execute movements more efficiently, just like how muscles become stronger with repeated exercise. From a muscular and structural standpoint, consistent rehabilitation is key to rebuilding muscle strength, tendon health, and joint stability. Just as regular training in running builds your cardiovascular efficiency over time, consistent rehabilitation exercises encourage tissue repair and adaptation. If you skip or are inconsistent with your rehab, you risk developing weaker tissues that are more susceptible to injuries. Another important aspect of consistency is that it helps maintain motivation and commitment to your recovery program. For runners, especially sprinters and marathoners, recovery is not just about healing. It is also about gradually returning to your previous performance levels. Consistent rehabilitation allows for small, manageable progress, which reduces the risk of overtraining or rushing back too soon. Practically speaking, this means following a structured rehabilitation plan. You should perform your exercises regularly, often daily or several times a week. This routine stimulates neurological recovery, rebuilds your physical capacity, and helps prevent loss of gains during days off. As your function improves, you can adjust the frequency and intensity of your rehabilitation, but maintaining a steady routine is essential for long-term recovery success. In summary, consistency in rehabilitation for running recovery is vital. It reinforces neural pathways through regular practice, promotes gradual rebuilding of muscle strength and joint stability, and reduces the risk of injury recurrence. This approach aligns with the principles of running training, where consistent effort leads to lasting performance improvements and injury prevention. So remember, sticking to your rehabilitation routine is key to getting back on track and achieving your running goals.